how to fix this problem on Valorant, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First just type here services and then scroll down until you find VGC. Now don't close this window, right click here and open task manager. Now scroll down until you find Vanguard, right click on Vanguard and click end task, and here we'll find VGC. Click on it and click right click properties, select, you will find it like that, select automatic and click apply and OK and then start. Now after that just close all those windows and then go to update, check for updates. Now check if there is any updates, any new update, and update your Windows. Restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed, and see you in the next video.